But this is just a very quick way for you to play around with it without saving it onto the server. I mean, that was pretty easy too. But what's cool about this is you can also go to any site. So let's go to w3schools.org. Okay, I'm gonna make that smaller. Interesting. Was it W3 schools? Did I go to the wrong site? Let's go to Google. Let's type in PHP tutorial. So if you want to see how this website did their CSS, right click, edit CSS. It imports all the CSS file here, right? So the body, the default font size is 12. Let's make that 22. Let's leave that 12. The default color is black. And this is the 6-color code. It just means the first two means red, that's green, that's blue. And it goes from 0 to A. So let's say instead of that, I want to put a lot of 0 to F. F means none, 0 means a lot, I think. So let's say I want to put a little bit of red and no green and no blue, RGB. Okay, that didn't really do anything. Okay, let's forget this. But anyway, you can just play around and, change, the CSS, and it will just show you exactly how the website will look if you change some of the CSS. So one thing you could also do is, let's see, view page info. No, that's not it. No, okay, no, forget what I said. They also have a cool add-on. You should download this, called Web Developer. Or developer tool. Yeah, I think it's this one. So go ahead and install this. Okay, let's restart Firefox. Okay, I think it installed it. And see how it installed this toolbar here? You can edit CSS using this tool as well. I don't really know how to use this that well, so I'm gonna close it. But you can disable cookies. You can display, for example, I want to see all the division. It groups the division, and you can see it how it is labeled. Let's not do that, but let's say I want to see all the JavaScript code. You can do that. One thing that I like to use is display division order. And maybe, what's the other one that I like to see? Document outline, no. I don't know what that is. I don't think I want to see that. Display anchors. No, that's not it. Oh, I found it. It's called display element information. And you can just place your mouse over the content you want to look at, and it will tell you where it belongs to. For example, that one is an HTML body. See, I'm just reading that one. Table T body. This one is a HTML body center table T body. Okay, and it's an H1 tag. All right. So you can just use this to find out if you want to change some of this, where you should change it. So that it seems to be this is on TD sharp left column, which means division ID left column. So anyway, you can install this. For advanced users, this will be cool. You can also install what's called Firebug. We talked about alt attributes really quick. You can see what the alt attributes are. You can see the image paths. You can do all sorts of things just to play around. But what you could do is, have the website, use Firefox, go to your website, right click, edit CSS, play around with the CSS to make it look the way that you want. Copy that, open a WinSCP, and paste that into the server and save it, and then you will get what you want. Because again, changing CSS and edit CSS doesn't change it permanently because it doesn't save it anymore. It just makes it look like that in your browser.